Hi guys, it's Mrs. Dobbs. I apologize if you can hear some background noise. It's actually storming outside while I'm filming this. But I just want to walk you guys through how to use Webex and Canvas. I know it's very new to all of us, so I'm actually going to pretend I'm a student. So once you're in Canvas, you can actually see all of your courses by selecting your dashboard, or you could go straight to courses. So I'm just going to pretend I'm a student in my second period ELA class. Once you've hit your courses and you've selected which one, you're going to go right here on the left-hand column and you're going to select Cisco WebEx. And you always want to be really patient while this is loading. Anything in Canvas or in your Chromebook, notice that I'm not clicking on anything right now. I'm just letting it load. Patience is key. If I were to keep clicking, then it's going to keep redirecting my Canvas and it's just going to slow down my computer more. So once you've selected Cisco WebEx, then you need to sign in, and it's going to take you to a new screen. I had already signed in before. It'll just prompt you to log in with your school login and your school password. So now I want to go to my virtual meetings and I want to see what's scheduled for me. So I have a second period WebEx meeting with my teacher, and it's going to start today at 9:50 a.m. So when it's around 9:50, I want to join. And again, I'm just going to be super patient while I wait for it to load. And then this is where your WebEx will take place. Now, I haven't actually started this meeting yet, so this is all you're going to see in this demo. But if your teacher started the class, you should be able to see your teacher and your classmates in there. So that's basically it. Just remember to be patient. Okay, if you need any help, just email me. It's Dobbs, DOBBSN, at cfbisd.edu. Good luck today, guys. I can't wait to meet you.